Amazing, amazing. Let's go. I got another signal, so let's put $300. And yeah, I'm expecting, guys. So right now I got a signal, a beautiful signal, and now I'm making 86%. This will be one of the greatest trading sessions this month. So I'm expecting this candle to be a red candle, right? This one is gonna be a red candle, and I'm opening a lower position. As always, I'm using the same strategy that I usually use, and if my prediction is right, I'm making $388, right? $88 as usual. I'm investing $300, and yeah, on Euro USD OTC, and yeah, I guess that. All right, amazing. So $288. Let's go. Amazing. Yep. This one is going up, by the way. So look, red, green, red, green, red, green. Look, the parabolic exchange position here. So the strategy, guys, is explained in the course in the description below. Everything about the strategy, everything that I learned over the years is explained in the course, right? And if you're interested in learning binary option, is also you can do it. You can learn from the course in the description below. There's plenty good stuff on the course. There's I put a lot of effort in this course, trying to teach you everything I learned about binary options. Great. So yeah, the second win, $288. Yup. Let's open this one also. Yeah, this one is clearly going down. This will be a red candle. I'm 100%, guys, 100% sure, right? 100% sure. This one was green. I was like 94%. Yeah, but this one I'm 100%. Yeah, I'm 100%. Great. Let's, yeah, let's try. Let's wait. We invested $300. My prediction is telling me that this one is going down, so I'm making, as you can see, I'm making a $288 with the investment amount of $300. Yup, $300. All right, all right. I'm comfortable. You need to be comfortable with your trading, guys. You need to be comfortable. Yeah, because look, because here we having a downtrend. A $300 downtrend. This candle is going down. This going to be a red candle by the end of this expiration time. By the end of this minute, this line over here, this line means the end of the 1 minute expiration time. And yeah, as expected, so I'm making $288, and I was expecting that the market will close under this price by the end of this 1 minute. So this is the real meaning of binary option. Yeah, great, another win. So let's open a longer one. In this case here, what I mean by higher, this means that I'm investing $300, and I say that the market will close above this price over here. This price, the green price, not the orange one, the green price. I expect that the market will close above in 1 minute or less by the end of this expiration time, meaning when the market reach this red candle, red line, sorry, the market will close above this price, right? This price. And if my prediction is right, IQ option is telling me that I will make 86% of my investment, which happened. This happened, right? This happened. So in the case of a loss, so if my prediction is wrong, like in this case here, for the moment I'm losing $300, right? Because I predicted that the market is going up, but here the market is under this price. Look, when the market changed and went above this price here, look, the expected profit changed to $288 because the market went over this line. And this is what's happening. This is what's going to be happen. I predict that the market is going up, and that's what I really predict. How can I predict the colors and which direction the market is taking? Simple. So let's take this win. Great. Amazing, right? Yeah, in 1 minute I'm making $288. So let's open this one, and yeah, how I'm predicting which direction the market is taking. For example, here I'm predicting that the market is going up. Yeah, even if the market is making some changes here, but I believe and I'm sure that this one is going up. So look here, using this indicator, which is called parabolic. Parabolic SAR. I'm also using an indicator called RSI, and I'm also using an indicator called BB, or bollinger bands. Yep, this one is also going up. Great. So this is the dots from the parabolic SAR. This is RSI. Sorry. This is RSI. And this is the expiration time. This is the expiration time. Here, this is the total profit that I invested, and this is the P&L, or the profit that I'm expecting to have. This is the total investment, this is the total profit. Yep, as expected, I made $388 because my prediction was right. So see you later, guys.